Hello everyone. If you have a challenge on cameras and your camera has username and password, you don't know the username and password, but you'd like to reset it, for example that's one issue. Also, if at all you're facing another issue that your camera is not connecting on the NVL switch, for example this is a different company, and the NVL switch I have here, this is Vision company. If you want to work on those two issues, you have to get a software called Configtool. You download it from the website. Then when you're setting up your camera, these are the following things you will need. You will need a switch, not necessarily a PoE switch, but any switch. For example, I have this D-Link switch, but also you need to power the camera. Since you're not going to use a PoE switch, which will be providing power for the camera, now you're just using a normal switch, then you need to power your camera. Okay, this is what you see here, the camera being powered. Then after you put your Ethernet cable, which is connected to the switch, then after all that, your camera will be able to display. Hopefully you see that up there. Main tasks or main issues you should know: it's the tool, config tool, which will help you reset the password of the camera. Then the other issue is that the camera should be having its power. Okay, all the power port should be powered, so at least you can be able to power on the camera. Thank you. That's how you fix such an issue which is really giving hard time. Okay, yes. If you want to know how to reset the camera when you run your tool, like the way you see it on the screen here, the config tool, you just refresh on top. It will list the available cameras on that same network. For example, on our network here, we have only this camera which is available. That's why you see it's listing only one camera on the list. Then after you check it, then after checking it, you can be able to, for the resetting, then you click on initialize in the Configtool software. Don't forget to uncheck the device that you targeting to reset. When you check the box, then you click on the button initialize, then the camera will be able to reset, and you'll be able to have the camera back on its factory defaults, so at least you can be able to reconfigure the camera back. Thank you for watching this video.